Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make highlights on Facebook. Facebook does not have a built-in highlights feature like Instagram, but you can create a similar effect by featuring stories, photos, or posts on your profile. This helps showcase your favorite memories, important updates, or achievements for visitors to see. So follow the steps below to organize and display your content effectively. To begin, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or visit Facebook in your web browser. Log into your Facebook account using your email, phone number, and Facebook. Go to your profile by tapping or clicking your profile picture. Create and share a Facebook story if you do not already have one available. Wait until your story is published successfully. Open your active or archived story from your profile. Then tap the three dots. Look for the option to save, feature, or achieve the story, depending on your app version. If your version supports featured stories, select Add to Featured or a similar option provided. And if not, scroll down to your profile to find Highlight section. Here, tap on the plus button, choose a story or achieve story. Tap the next option to add the story to the selected collection. Provide a title to your highlight. Then tap the Create Highlight. Return to your profile to confirm that the featured story appears below your profile information. Repeat the process whether you want to add more stories to the same or a new collection. Edit or remove featured stories by opening the collection and selecting the appropriate management option. Review your profile to ensure your featured stories are organized and displayed the way you want. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.